Right, because the car's wheels are here and not here, I have to get this car onto the trailer that is outside. To get it onto the trailer, I have two options. Option number one is use the rollover jig that I've borrowed. So this rollover jig is for a Mustang, an old school Mustang. It doesn't fit, but it could possibly be modified to fit the Focus, but it would lift it too high up where it won't leave the garage due to the door. So I've got that much room to maneuver, and the rollover jig lifts it up too much room, put it that way. So option number two is use this steel to make a rolling table jig thing for this, so I can roll it outside and then put it on the rollover jig outside, and then put it on the trailer and then take it for paint. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is make a roll-in jig out of that steel. Nothing too complicated, just something that I can bolt up and roll it outside and roll it onto the trailer, and when it comes back then I can also use it on the trailer instead of using the rollover jig. But it needs to go on a rollover jig because I need to do underneath it as well. And when I say I mean the guy who's painting it. So that's the plan. Make a jig. When it's ready to go on the trailer, take it outside, put the car on the rollover jig, put the rollover jig and the car on the trailer, take it for paint, and then we'll worry about it another time. So I'm just going to set you up, crack on, get on with it, and see what we can do. Okay, I finished that jig, or as much as I'm going to do with it. It is there. So it's just got one bar going across there for that plugs into the subframe mounts, two uprights on a big square basically, and the same down the front right there. I need to get bolts for the front, so it's currently not actually sitting on anything up the front. This one is sitting on the subframe mount, so that's all good. Next, oh well, it rolls about fairly easily. I'm not going to do it now because I'm on the floor. But next, I've been busy with the rollover jig, making bits to fit the Focus. So we've got these that fit in there, and bolt holes underneath so we can bolt through the chassis rail itself. And at the front, I've made these extendo pieces to bolt into these holes at the front of the chassis rail. So that should be enough to hold it all in place. I guess there's only one way to find out. Hold the other side down.
Hold it down.
Yeah.
Oh my
Got it?
God, this is weird.
How far are you going?
Oh my God. Oh.
All the way. You're not really good at this, eh?
I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. It's not natural.
Huh?
This is not natural.
Okay, hold on, it's going down. Okay, let's get this car on that trailer and take it for paint. Whoop. All ready to go. Right, that's it. Car's gone for paint. Woohoo! So chances are that's going to be the last time you're going to see the car for a while. I've got plenty to do over there, but they're going to be in random different episodes over the next couple of weeks and months. But we've got some stuff to do anyway, so we can carry on with that. And the car will be back when the car is back, and then we'll start building it up and finishing it off. If, however, you can't wait that long and you want to see progress as it happens, when I go up and visit it and see how things are progressing, if you join the Patreon, you can see all the updates that I'm giving on there. Supporters of the channel get to see everything going on behind the scenes, so that's all the prep work and the painting and putting in primer and all that as it happens. But when I get it back, I'll put it all in some videos and everybody gets to see it anyway. But that'll be a couple of weeks / months away. Probably months. Anyway, I'm rambling. So give this video a like, share it with your friends. It helps. These videos aren't doing that well lately. No idea why, but yeah, if you can share it with your friends and like the video, subscribe to the channel and go and follow the channel on all these social media platforms. And it all helps, and we get the word out there and everybody gets to see the cool car. So yeah, that's enough for today. Flexus videos are going to be all over the place, but I've got a Megane right here that needs some work. So if anybody's interested in a different project that I've got going on, I'll still be uploading videos over the next couple of weeks. So until next time, ciao.